Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your microphone not working on Fortnite on PS4 or Xbox, right? So for this example I will be using PS4, so yeah, let's begin. So first what you need to do here, you need to go on PS4 settings or Xbox settings and then go on devices and audio devices and on input device. If you plugged your microphone, make sure that is not none but your microphone name, and then go back on Fortnite and press options button to be on the menu here, and then press R1 to voice chat and make sure that voice volume is 100%, and if it is, then go back on menu and settings, and then go on your with R1 with on audio, and then scroll all the way to the voice chat and make sure that is the voice chat is on and voice chat method is not push to talk but open mic and voice channel match. So you can select if basically voice channel is party or the game. So let's say you're in the party and you want to talk with one person on the party and you want to talk with the person that is in game, so you need to switch manually, and then voice chat notifications make sure also is on, and house party video chat integration also. I don't use this, but make sure that also is on. And once you're done, then press triangle to apply, and I'm sure if your microphone is plugged in rightly, I'm pretty sure that it will work, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.